Day 45. Chicken and vegetable rice. Ingredients: 350 grams of chicken, chopped, 150 grams of carrots, peeled and chopped, 100 grams whole grain rice, 300 millilitres of chicken stock, 150 grams of broccoli, chopped, pepper to taste, 2 teaspoons of rapeseed oil. In a pot, add the chicken stock and pour in the rice. Cook until light and fluffy for 40 to 50 minutes. Put frying pan on medium heat and add oil. Add the chicken and cook until browned. Now add the carrots and broccoli and stir fry for 4 to 5 minutes until chicken is cooked through and vegetables are tender. Once rice is cooked, add to the cooked chicken and vegetable mixture. Season with pepper. Serve hot.